Tala dyan mo ba?
Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, akong ipakita sa inyo kung asa mi naglaag last Good Friday and Black Saturday. Starting off with the old church in Bolhoon. Ug syempre, mag-pictorial sa ta. Our next spot is Santander to see the baby sharks. But unfortunately, the baby sharks were too shy to see me. Pero ang tinuod, buta lang gid ko, di na maklaro sila. And because I was so disappointed, I decided to cross another island. And guess where it is? Syempre, may lain pa bang dool sa Dumaguete. O diba, Xander? Ikapila naman ni mong island?
Tara, musakay na ta. Beautiful kayo ang sunset, no? So, mauto. Wala mi dalang clothes, gamit. Nag-spend ng yun of the night dito sa Dumaguete. Nag-book ra ko sa Airbnb og isa ka room. Salamat sa owner for accommodating us. Maod ay ni ang Dumaguete Boulevard. Nag-walking pud me so I can complete the challenge in Strava. We waited for the sun to rise. Pero, you know me, kalibangon. So, nagdali-dali mi tagita og CR. Oh, by the way, this is Silliman University DI. Reminds me of Maria Clara and Ibarra series. And so, mauto, after ko nag-poop, nag-church me.
Ug nagpakita si Haring Araw pero layo na kay ko.
And then, breakfast sa Jollibee. Nice kayo ilang building, no?
Shout out di ay sa crew nga pwedeng kaya iya. Almost 1 hour na, wa pa maserve mong food. Groceries for the road trip. 7-Eleven, beka naman. And it's another park. Oh, by the way, anhi di ay mi nagstay sa Napoville Suites. Thank you so much, ma'am. So now, sugdan na nato ang pag-discover sa beautiful Dumaguete. First, we have the what they call as the Smoky Mountain of Dumaguete. Literal nga gaaso-aso ang bukid, and the locals say na volcano daw na siya pero wala makabuto. Don't be surprised if you go there, ang baho niya something like itlog, pero carry ra. And also, init kaayo ang iyang buga. Next stop is the Pulang Batu Waterfalls. Again, with the literal ang mga bato pula. They also have a swimming pool. And there's the falls, my friends. Let's see if we can cross this hanging bridge. This is falls number 2. Now heading to our next destination, and that is welcome to Tierra Alta Resort. And yes, pwede kayo mukat-kat dito sa top sa parola for picture taking. Let's go swimming! And yes, happy kayo ang mati patutino. Iyahan at tanan ng swimming pool. Tagbaw maayot zone.
a lot of tourists actually, pero kami ra ang nag-swimming. Ay, sorry, wala day ko'y labo. Ay, kanindot yun ani nga lugar. Uy, malik ko niya ta dinhi ka ng ting-uwan na. Para dili mapagod ang atong skin. Tan-awa ra gyud ni ninyo silang duha, walay kaiko. Ubani ko ninyo moadto sa Tierra Cafe to order foods. There's this tree di ay na mura pud siya cherry blossoms. Cute. Let's go back to the cafe kay nahuman nag-swimming ang mga kigwas. Heavy snack for heavy people. Oh my! The best part of this resort is the glass walk. Maayo gani kay naa na taingon ani sa Philippines, no? Although, short lang gyud kaayo siya. I hope na pay laing mga establishments na maghimog ingon ani. Let's end our time here in Tierra Alta and move on to our next destination, which is Mango Ranch. I have uploaded a separate video about this place. Please visit my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Fortunately, Mango Ranch is our last stop here in Dumaguete. Naglikay mi kay, Easter Sunday, daghan og pasahero. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.